I'm so excited for today's video because I'm filming a room tour. I've been working so hard in my room. It's finally almost finished. I just have a few things that I need to do. I need to paint one of my canvases and I need to get a new desk chair, but other than that, it's basically finished.
I'm super excited.
Basically, what's new with me? I got my new camera. I bought the Canon EOS 80D. So after years and years and years and years and years of lying, because I'm a sinner, I'm going to finally start making YouTube videos again. 3 years ago, I was like,
I'm gonna make a YouTube channel.
And then last year, I was like,
I'm gonna make YouTube videos again.
And then this year, I was like,
I'm gonna make videos again.
So who knows, maybe I'm lying. We'll find out, I guess. I graduated high school. I am officially a freshman in college. I'm going to a college here in Columbus and I'm commuting from home. So I thought that I would redo my room because I want to be in a space where I can come and study, where I can feel relaxed in my room, and I'm super excited to show you guys. So the theme of my room is like light gray, dark gray, white, a little tiny pinch of black, and blush pink. Blush pink has to be my favorite color right now. I don't know about you, but I love room tours, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up whenever you're finished watching, or right now if you like have a lot of faith in me. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my links that will be in the description box down below. Let's get on into the video. Alright, so my door still has this teal E on it, but we're gonna act like it's gray because I just have been way too lazy to paint it. But whenever you walk into my room, I have like that little hallway thing, and then it's like very rectangular, very much a rectangular room. Then moving on to this wall, I have my Polaroids with some fairy lights hanging on top, and then I have a few motivational quotes. One says, "Be a voice, not an echo," and the other says, "Positive minds, positive vibes, positive life." And then right underneath that, I have my chair. My chair is from Value City Furniture. The pink pillow is from Target, and the white pillow, I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea where it's from. It might be from Walmart. And the pink throw blanket is also from Target. Moving on to my bookshelf, I got these from IKEA. The bottom drawers are from Target. In each little cube, I have a different kind of like decoration. So in this first one, I have a picture of my old dog Lily, and then I have this quartz rock and then a pink turtle that's made out of jade from China whenever I went. Then I have a fake succulent and some shells. And then this one has to be like my favorite cube. It's my word board and it says, "I don't even have a pla." Super obsessed with Friends. So then moving on to this cube, I have a picture of me feeding a giraffe because giraffes are my favorite animal. I have another fake succulent that I probably got from like Target. And then my friend wrote me that picture back there that has a verse on it. Then in this cube, I just have a tin box thingy that's holding some of my favorite books, and I got that from Target as well. Half of the stuff is from Target. And then right next to this bookshelf, I have my yoga mat because I do morning yoga quite frequently, which I am pretty proud of, not gonna lie. Then I have my mirror.
Hello, how are you? How are you doing?
On top of my bookshelf, I have this candle, this cactus. It's real. That one's real. The small one's fake. And then some twine to kind of add more earthy vibes, and then a little sign that says "Change the world" with another fake succulent. I didn't realize how many of these were fake. LOL. So then turning left, I have my bed, which I got my comforter from Urban Outfitters, and I got the pillow from Target. Actually, all three of those pillows are from Target. And then up on it, I have a little white vase with some fake flowers, and the vase is from Target, the Echo Dot is from Amazon, and my diffuser is also from Amazon. And then I have this candle and this another fake succulent. I'm the worst, wow. So over here, I just have my rug, which is from Outpost, hold on, I'm stressed, I need to check. It is not out anything, it is overstock. Then over here I have my prayer board, which the board itself is from Target. I just painted the outside white and I just wrote a few verses. So I have Isaiah 40:31, Jeremiah 29:11, which is my favorite verse, and then Romans 12:12. Then right here I have a sign that says "Beautiful," and then I just have this basket which matches the other baskets, this white pillow that's also from Target, and so is the blanket. The blanket is from Target too. I know, I have an obsession, it's pretty terrible. But then on this bookshelf, which is from IKEA, I just have random things, to be honest. So on the top, I have this picture of succulents that my friend Hannah gave me. I have these little mini succulents. And then I have this candle that says Cozy Nights. I have this Aloha aloe plant, and then these like motivational cards, which I'm almost positive are from Target, but I got them as a gift. And then this silver tin that actually carries my words and letters for the word board thingy. So then on here I have a little chalkboard, and it says time to let new adventures begin, which I thought is perfect since I'm going to college, and I actually used this for my grad party. I have a picture of my friend Lily and I, and then this little cute sign that says be bold, be true, be kind, be you, and that was from my friend Dayton. And then I have my Polaroid camera, another candle, and then going down I just have another basket which has my journals and some Fuji, I don't actually know, the film stuff for my Polaroid. And then I have my purse, which I got from TJ Maxx, and my wallet from Target, and my sunglasses are also from Target. I am actually painting this canvas, and it's gonna say, oh, the places you'll go. So then over here I have my calendar and my desk area, I guess. So I have just my Mac, my chair, but I'm getting a new one. I have this desk lamp that I got from Target. I have little shelves. This kind of just organizes my pins and my clip thingies, which are old candle jars. Fun fact. Then I just have some motivational things that say be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. I don't know, I really like putting these in my room because they kind of motivate me to just be more positive and have a happier thought on life, I guess. And then right here, I have a train ticket from China, and I also have 2 movie tickets, Star Wars and The Greatest Showman. And then I have some of my fave people on these Polaroids, Jill and Emmy, and then Charlie. And then just my calendar of stuff that I should probably remember, and more Polaroids. Alright guys, that was my room tour. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite part of my room. What's your favorite part of your room? Also comment down below any video ideas that you have, because I have some ideas, but homegirl always is looking for suggestions. So comment down below.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Maybe if I actually get off my gluteus maximus and get some work done.
I just want to show you something really funny. So I have a feels playlist on my phone. I'm just gonna show you the cover, okay? Here's the cover of my playlist. Hoo, 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 hoo.